Okay, I had this little bit of footage. This was the same day we done at Tartar Gates. And I didn't want to just throw it away because it was kind of neat playing with a drone. And I thought I'd share that house on the far over the hill over there with the green roof. That's the guest house. The house I'm at right now is mom and dad's, and this is their pond. And that's the whatever shelter house or whatever over the pond. The green roof I flew over there. And this again, she don't even know I got a drone, so she has no idea what's going on. But from the Axeman drone stuff, she gets a pretty good idea as soon as she sees it because she's seen plenty of drone footage flew around her. Now look, she's gonna catch us here and just say, "What is that?" She's, get out of here, Mister. She cracks me up. What? What do you think of Dirt Perfect's cattle guard he put in? And Morgan and Robin, that's their fabricating. That cattle guard is so awesome. And I'm just practicing things with it. The camera, I'm just now figuring out how to work the camera up now. Look on Joni's pants right there. I don't know why the picture is so crappy. So crappy. All right. Guinea. And I got the camera up to where you can see part of the blades is spinning on the. And there's lag in my. There's lag in my controller there, so where I ain't catching. It's kind of like a GoPro. It's kind of like when you got Bluetooth mode in GoPro. Like there's always lag time, and the lag time, but it's worse. For some reason. There's just things I ain't got figured out, I think your settings I've got wrong and things like that. No, Guinea. No. Right now, it's beeping at her. He's getting mad at her and beeping at her. Look at it. That is amazing. But boy, it takes... So, what I got, and the sun's low in the sky, and it's hard to see because the sun's just kicking my butt. And I don't have a filter on this thing. I got a filter to put on the camera lens. I'm going to get it on there, and maybe that'll fix a lot of the crappy video. And Big Daddy, he don't know anything about it either. And he sees it here in a minute. You see him look out the window here in just a second. He's cleaning off manure. That's there it is. What are you doing there, Phil? He's cleaning off this is where we feed hay. And what he does when we feed the cows in like the feedlot situation, he'll put bark down so the cows ain't stomping around mud. And then the next year... that bark goes right in the manure. That's all manure it's kind of a compost type of blend. So the next year, you'll scrape it off and then give it a year. The pile on his left over there should have been a pile from last year. So the pile he's scooping up now will be a fresh pile from this year. Then after it melts down and composts down, then you spread it on the field, see, to add back to your farm. And then it's got that bark mixed in it and stuff and kind of covers some ground a little bit. And here, I'm going out the lane heading to me and Mommy's house. But like I said, the lag in it, in the picture, I overcorrect things, and I can't pick it up in the picture because of the lag time. So I go too far this way. It's like somebody's too slow on the wheel when they're fishtailing. You know what I mean? You're gonna lose it. Now, over the horizon there, that's Andy's house. He's Dirt Perfect's brother. Me and him's buddies. And the green roof over the trees there to the left of Andy's, that's Mikey's. But that's Mikey and Andy's place down there where the lake is and stuff. They're brothers. And then I live here. This is our place. And Guinea, she dropped off some stuff for Mommy and the boys. And she's getting ready to take off with her truck. We're all kind of winding down. This is after we got the gate system up and going. And everybody kind of went to their corners and do their little knickknacks. Take advantage of this, one of these last decent days of the year. I think it's going to be a cold winter. That's just a hunch. There goes Guinea. Yeah, get out of here, Guinea. Now I'm going to try to, now I'm down to like 33% and it's time to start landing her down. This thing, from what I can tell, at 10%, it freaks out and goes back to where it's supposed to go, which is where I took off from back here at the pond where I was messing with Guinea. So I'm going to try to land this thing before it freaks out on me and takes off and goes back to where it came from. The GPS coordinates, you know. And what do you think of the central part of the house? That's two-story part of the house there where that small roof is there. It's cool. It's kind of an Asian-looking house from the top. It's just kind of, it's different. Our house is definitely different. And there's Mommy's truck. And the lawnmower in there and stuff. And there's my service truck. I got that side panel ripped out of it. Me and Stevie did in the rain. I need to get that fixed. Alright. I shut her down here before, because it said in 10 seconds it's going to return to home. So I had to shut her down right quick. Anybody know any GoPro tricks? Let me know. I'm green. Hey everybody, thanks for watching. And don't forget to hit the buttons and leave me likes, comments, stuff. Let me know what's up. And to anybody's wanting Logger Wade gear, go to loggerwade.com and help yourself at the shop there. And we got all that good mess. Take care of it. And mostly just want to say thanks, everybody. Hope everybody has a good one later on.